Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel Excel. Today, two date functions, NETWORKDAYS and NETWORKDAYS.INTL. Both count workdays between two dates. NETWORKDAYS uses a Saturday-Sunday weekend. NETWORKDAYS.INTL lets you customize the weekend for any work schedule. 4 real examples coming up. First up, the basic syntax. We want the number of workdays between Blastoise's capture date and Pikachu's. Type equals NETWORKDAYS, open paren, L3 for the start, comma, L4 for the end, close paren, hit enter. L3 is a Thursday, L4 is the following Monday. NETWORKDAYS skips Saturday and Sunday automatically, leaving Thursday, Friday, and Monday. 3 workdays. Now we add a holiday. Same range stretched out, Blastoise's date to Arcanine's date, with 1 holiday to subtract. Type equals NETWORKDAYS, open paren, L3, L6, date, open paren, 2024, 1, 22, close paren, hit enter. NETWORKDAYS counts all weekdays from L3 to L6, then drops January 22nd from the total. We get 16 workdays. The third argument can also be a range of holiday dates if you have a list. Now NETWORKDAYS.INTL with a custom weekend. We want to count workdays, assuming a Friday-Saturday weekend, common in some regions. Type equals NETWORKDAYS.INTL, open paren, L3, L6, 7 for the weekend code, close paren, hit enter. Code 7 means Friday and Saturday are the weekend. Sunday is a workday. Result is 16. Excel offers numeric codes from 1 to 17 for every common weekend pattern. Last one, wrap NETWORKDAYS.INTL inside if for a readable verdict. We want a long season label when there are more than 100 workdays between two captures, otherwise short season. Type equals if, open paren, NETWORKDAYS.INTL, open paren, L3, L15, 1 for the default Saturday-Sunday weekend, close paren, greater than 100, quote, long season, quote, short season, quote, close paren, hit enter. L3 is January 18th, L15 is June 14th. That's about 105 workdays apart, well over 100, so if returns long season. So that's NETWORKDAYS and NETWORKDAYS.INTL. 2 functions for counting workdays between dates. NETWORKDAYS is quick and easy with a fixed Saturday-Sunday weekend. NETWORKDAYS.INTL takes an extra weekend argument so you can match any work pattern in the world, from Friday-Saturday to single-day weekends to fully custom 7-character strings. Both accept an optional holiday list to exclude specific dates. Pair them with if for readable labels like deadline flags or season checks. That's how you make Excel Excel. And if you want to take your NETWORKDAYS formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.